Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. As we know, successful implementation of RPA technology requires a shift in roles and responsibilities within an organization's structure. But how do RPA current capabilities and performance replace humans? RPA already replaces humans from completing repetitive tasks, which frees up valuable time for employees to engage in more creative, intellectual, and essential work. Currently, RPA replaces human jobs like data entry and auditing. Software robots can also limit the amount of work required from an employee by configuring the software to act more as an assistant rather than a replacement for a process. However, many businesses have automation systems incapable of automating cognitive and changing processes, so RPA as a complete human labor replacement is yet to come. Many tech and business analysts predict that as automation software advances into an intelligent, autonomous technology with the ability to make judgment-based decisions, many jobs will no longer require humans. If the future of intelligent automation likely will replace most humans, what jobs will it replace? Essentially, all jobs capable of automation will be completely replaced by robot software. For example, many processes completed by human resources are capable of automation. However, HR requires human social skills and emotion. Software robots could help enhance but not necessarily replace them completely. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.